Hey there, truck enthusiasts! Welcome back to Vehicle School. Are you experiencing that annoying squealing noise when you hit the brakes? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to dive into the top 5 reasons why your F150 brakes might be squealing. So, let's get started. Point 1. There's rust in brake rotors. Moisture accumulation in damp or low-temperature conditions can lead to surface rust formation on your brake rotors. This rust creates uneven surfaces, causing friction and noise when brakes are applied after a cold start. Point 2. Worn brake pads or brake dust. Over time, brake pads naturally wear down from braking friction, reducing the material between calipers and rotors. This work causes vibrations and noise upon braking. Point 3. Improperly seated brake calipers. During brake pad or caliper replacement, improper installation can lead to misalignment issues such as uneven torquing of caliper bolts or misaligned pads. This results in uneven contact with the rotor, causing vibrations and squealing noises during braking and accelerating. Point 4. Parking brakes not fully releasing. Parking brake issues often arise from caliper or cable problems. When engaged, the brake applies pressure, and if the release mechanism fails, residual pressure keeps the brake pads touching the rotors, often leading to F150 brakes squealing in reverse. Point 5. Corroded brake micro-components. According to Ford, some 2021 to 2022 F150s with light-duty electric park brake calipers can develop a squealing noise from the rear brakes after being stationary for 8 hours or more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy driving!